Everyone, welcome to 30 days Excel challenge. So today we are going to deal with some more tricks related to Microsoft Excel. Here I'm having all my products here. As you can see in product column, I'm having all my products. Suppose I just wanted to know uh, what are the duplicate products, like which product has repeated multiple times. So in this data I just wanted to know what are the duplicate products. Like suppose here hair dryer is there. If I go and search here, see here air conditioner is there. As you can see, air conditioner has appeared 2 times in our data. Like that I just wanted to see what are the duplicate values. That means more than one time. If something is repeating, I just wanted to highlight them. So just you can select this, go to conditional formatting, go to highlight cell rules. You can click this option called as duplicate values. There you can see which are the items they are appearing multiple times in your data set. As you can see, this air conditioner, smart TV, and the gaming console, these are the things that are appearing multiple times in your data. Like that you can verify it. Now the second thing is, um, now see hair dryer is there, laptop is there, air conditioner is there. Now I just wanted to create a new row in between the hair dryer and laptop. Between each product I just wanted to create an additional row. Like this I just wanted to create, and in this row I just like to enter any of the metric, like size or price or any of them, like quantity. Whatever I want I can enter into this. Suppose I just wanted to create like this, between two different products I just wanted to create an empty row or an empty cell in between, so that I can enter anything into that. So this data is pretty small, right? Like it is having just 15 to 20 entries, so you can do so manually. But what if it has something around 200 to 300 rows of data? So at the time, what can you do? How can you do? So there is a simple trick to do that. So there is an easy trick. First of all, press Control, select all the rows that you wanted to create a cell or row in between. Just select all your products here. Then go to the leftmost part of your screen, like this kind of column number, row number is appearing, right? This is called as row numbers. You can go to this any of the row number, just right click it. So you can press you can press an option called as insert. So if you click that, automatically between each cell you will be created, you will get an additional cell. You will be getting a blank cell. There you can write anything you wanted to write. So actually people won't use this kind of things in practical life, but if you wanted to use it, this is the way you can do that. So okay, that's it. Now the second thing I just wanted to tell you is, please ignore that, by mistake it has appeared. Now suppose you want to generate a serial number for this. What you do most of the times is just you press 1 here, again you enter 2 here, you just select both of them, and either you double click this or you keep on dragging them, like you keep on dragging like this till the end of the column. Then all the serial numbers will appear. But there is a different way to do that. There is a formula for it. Suppose if you wanted to do that for 1,000 columns or 1,000 rows, sorry, for 1,000 rows, if you wanted to do that, it would be very difficult of dragging to 1,000 rows. There you can use this formula and you can generate the serial number to n number of rows as per your wish. The formula is sequence. By using the sequence formula, here it is asking rows. That means for how many rows you want the sequence to be generated. I am here pressing 1,000. So I'm just entering the comma. It is asking columns. So I don't want any. So I'm just I'm just not giving anything, and I'm just pressing the comma once again. So it is asking start, comma, step. So as far as now, I don't discuss this. I'll discuss it within few minutes so that you can understand this better. So I'm just closing the bracket. So now as you can see what happened here. So it has generated the dates, but actually what what has happened is it is in the date format. See, that's why it is showing in dates. If you keep it general, in general format, see, it has generated all the numbers from 1 to 1000. As you can see, 1000 numbers has got generated. If you press here, control plus down arrow, you can see 1000 is the last number. You can navigate up. So 1000 numbers has got generated. Now let us examine this formula. Suppose, see, I want 1000 rows to be created, 1000 rows to be created, comma. It is asking me columns. How many columns you want to get created? I don't want any columns to be created. I'm just keep putting comma here. I'm not entering anything. Here it is asking me start. So generally by default every row will start by 1. As you can see here, here also our series has started with 1 as a starting value. Now you can change that as well. If you want, you can change that as well. If you want your series to get started with 2, you can press 2. And this step is nothing but between 2 and 3 or 1 and 2, what is the incremental value? It is 1, right? So between each value, between 2 and 3, between 3 and 4, between 4 and 5, what is the incremental value? It is 1, right? That is the default thing. So if you want a series like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 like such, then you can enter like this. I want 1000 rows. I don't want any columns. That way I kept an empty space here and I just gave just comma. After that, the series should start with 2 and there should be an increment of 2. That means between each step there should be a difference of 2 and I am entering this. So as you can see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14 like such, the series of even numbers it has generated. So this is how you can use this. There is another technique also. So you can generate the dates too. Suppose you want 1000 dates to be generated and the date should start from, here I am putting the date in double quotes, 1/4/2000. I'm closing the double quote. I'm pressing enter. As you can see, it has just printed the numbers. You can select all these numbers, go to the format. You can put short date here. Now you can see from 1/4/2000, it has generated 1000 dates. Starting from 1/4/2000, it has given all the dates incrementally. Suppose you can go here, double click this. Here you can add start date and incremental value as well in step. By giving the comma, you can specify the increment. If you put 2 here, so 1/4/2000, after that 3/4/2000 will come, after that 7/4/2000, like such series will come. So you can experiment with this. So this is up to now. So I'm going to the next trick. Now see, I am actually organizing a wedding function. So in that wedding function, I just wanted to know how many people are going to the ice cream counter and how many people are actually consuming the ice cream. And at the same time, I also wanted to know how many people are repetitively going for the ice cream counter. Like I have taken, suppose my friend Sunil has went to the ice cream counter and he has taken one ice cream. So even after eating one ice cream, he has gone back again and taken another ice cream to consume. So like Sunil, how many people are going to the ice cream counter another time? Like such analysis, like such data, I just wanted to know. I just wanted to highlight these people who are going to the ice cream counter number of times. So what can I do? So your guess is correct. I can select the whole column. I can go to the conditional formatting. I can go to the highlight cell rules. Then I can click the option called as duplicate values. Then what it does is it highlights the people who has gone to the ice cream counter number of times, more than one time. This is what the duplicate means actually. So as you can see, Kumar is the person, he has gone 3 times. Kamal has gone 2 times. Karina has gone 2 times. Mohan has gone 2 times. So there is no offense here. I think there are some movie stars name got added here, but actually it's a data sheet generated from the internet. So this is my disclaimer. This is just for the education purpose only, not to make any fun out of them. So this is just for the education purpose. So this is how you can find them. So now there is a pani puri stall. There also I wanted to know the same kind of metrics. Now what can I do then? So same, you can go here, you can select the data, then you can go to highlight cell rules, duplicate values. Now click OK. Now here also you can see who are the people coming to the pani puri stand number of times. So like that you can see. Now my question is, I just wanted to know how many people who had ice cream before now coming to the pani puri stand, and at the same time who had pani puri and came to the ice cream stand. Now I just wanted to know that kind of metrics. So now how can we do that? So even before we are doing that, just remove all the conditional formattings that we have established before. I'm just going to the pani puri column, and I have selected all the column rows here, and I just go to clear rules, and I just click this option called as clear rules from the selected cell. So everything got normal here. Now I do the same thing with this data as well. Go to clear rules from the selected cells. Now what can I do? Now I just wanted to find the duplicate data, duplicate values from these two data sets. So this is one data set, this is another data set. Now this is simple. Select the whole the data, select whole data, and go to conditional formatting, then apply for duplicate values. Now you can find these are the people. The people with the red color highlights are none other than either they are consuming ice cream more than one time or pani puri more than one time, or these are the people who had consumed ice cream and went to the pani puri, or who had consumed pani puri and went to the ice cream. And there are people with no highlights. These are the people either they stick to the ice cream or pani puri, and that too they have consumed only for one time. So like that you can analyze it. So this example may sound you quite funny, but the thing is, suppose imagine you're having a restaurant. It sells both ice cream at the same time pani puri. Now you just wanted to know how many people, how many times a customer is recurring. That means a customer is repeatedly visiting for your shop for an ice cream. So here you can see Kumar is your regular customer for ice cream, and he is appearing for 3 times. Like you can say that he liked your product. At the same time, Kamal is also came to your shop for ice cream 2 times. So there are chances that he may be liking your product. At the same time, you can make that statistics for the pani puri as well. Suppose there is another question: how many of the customers who are usually who usually visit your shop to consume ice cream are consuming pani puri? This is another important thing, right? Suppose you may go to a 5-star hotel to eat one particular dish. You by after some repeated suggestion, or by seeing some other dish, you may order some other dish and eating it, right? So these kind of things happen. So to know these kind of metrics, we can do like this. So we can actually take two data sets, we can select the data as whole, and we can apply conditional formatting on it. So this is one such beautiful way to find out uh, how many times something is getting repeated. So like such patterns you can find it.